Are you worried about your upcoming debate? Or stressed about your due assignment? Need an urgent article for your daily? Or want to impress your boss in the next board meeting? You go on the internet and see everything has a price tag, right? And scouting through Google is like a big maze. Then I believe you have come to the right place. Hi, I'm Mike, and let me introduce you to the written word, your one-stop shop for everything that is written. We at the written word provide a plethora of services. For the kids, we have tons of essays, articles, debates, poems, speeches, book reviews, and whatnot. For the college students, we can rewrite your friend's assignment for you or convert a recorded lecture into notes. Give us a script and we'll convert it into a presentation. And we are most popular among the English majors. We also cater for various professions. Are you in corporate sector? We can provide you with elegant professional presentations. Are you a columnist looking for an article? Well, we got you covered. Are you a teacher or a parent? We have everything your kid may need. What makes the written word unique is our one-on-one approach with our customers. Any project that comes to us is discussed personally with you. It is provided with your mid-course approvals and it is amended and delivered in time to give you exactly what you need. And did I mention it's free? Yes, absolutely free. So go out there and win the debate, ace that project, or rock that boardroom, or just simply help out your kids. Join our list of happy customers as it grows daily. You can visit us at www.mywrittenword.com or email us at mywrittenword@gmail.com, or you can call us at 805-333-0818. Want to join us? Well, send in your credentials and start earning. Have a good day out there, you all.